Hey, beautiful soul, you are on the verge of receiving something incredible. You are in the perfect position for catching a major blessing. The energy that is emulating from your spirit is the magnet to your dreams. Keep your visions high and your vibes even higher. Your spirit isn't under attack. The discomfort you have been feeling is the expansion of your soul, where the magic within you comes alive. Increase your trust in the universe. Let the first thing to disappear be your doubt. A massive blessing is about to take place. Type yes if you agree. You are entering a new reality where everything will start to go your way. It's time. You had enough lessons. You did the work. You overcame so much. You believed even when it was hard to. You never gave up. You pushed through it all. Now it's your turn to receive in a major way. Type yes if you agree and also leave a beautiful comment. Thank you.